Welcome everyone to our channel. Today we're going to be making some black bean and corn salsa. All the ingredients that you need I have here on the table. We've got corn, black beans, cilantro, limes, some purple onion, some tomatoes, some avocado, those are optional, and some jalapenos. So let me go ahead and get started. I'm just going to chop everything up nice and evenly. I will add the corn and beans into a strainer in the sink and rinse those out and add everything into this bowl. And then we will mix it up and we will test it with our chips here. They are a street corn flavored dip chip. They are amazing. So let's get started. While you're cutting, you want to try and get everything as even as possible. And that little end we'll just toss there to the side. I am going to start out with just half of an onion. You don't want it to be over powerful. And then I will go ahead and I will cut up all of the tomatoes as well. I'm going to cut the tops and the ends off. I will go ahead and slice this right in half like that. This is such a refreshing snack. Or in my case, you can just eat it as a meal as well. Oops. Now, as far as the tomatoes go, you can add as many or as little as you want. I probably will not be adding all of these tomatoes, but we will just add what we think looks good and then mix it up. And if it need to, we can add more as well. Three tomatoes, and I've got them added into the bowl here with half of a purple onion. I am just going to do a small portion here and then see how everyone likes it. I'm going to next cut up this jalapeno. I am going to do only one jalapeno. I don't want it too spicy. I mean, you can add more if you want, but we're just going to do one of them. I am going to take all of these seeds and insides out of the pepper. You don't want it super spicy. Again, optional. If you want it more spicy, you're able to leave those seeds in. We've got those out. I'm going to move those seeds over to the side there. And I am just going to cut these up nice and tiny. And I'm going to finely cut these up. And I'll add those into the bowl here as well. And I'll do the same with the other half of this jalapeno. And again, you're going to finely chop this up. And add that to the bowl as well. And then next, I'm going to open a can of corn and a can of black beans. I am only going to do 1 can of each this time around. So I will open both of these, and then I will rinse those and add those to the bowl. So here I am just adding them to the strainer. And then I will just go ahead and rinse them. You're going to rinse them with some cold water. Once you've got them rinsed well, shake all of that excess water off. And then you're set to add them to the bowl. Here I am just adding in the corn and the black beans into the bowl, along with the onion, the tomato, and the jalapeno that I have diced up. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a little bunch of this cilantro. Again, you can add as much or as little as you want. We love cilantro, so we usually add quite a bit. I'm going to start with that much for now. Get all of the stems facing one way here. Cut off all of the additional stems here. There are some extra leaves, but we'll go ahead and just do that for now. And I will go ahead and roll that up, and I will dice this fine as well. I love the smell of cilantro. Once you have that diced up, you're going to go ahead and add that to the bowl as well. So we've got that added to the bowl. Try and get all the little leaves off of my hand that have gotten stuck there. That's okay though, because I love the smell. It smells so refreshing. Next, we will go ahead and I'm gonna roll out this lime before I cut that. I always add the avocados last. I try not to add too much at once. As you all know, once an avocado is cut, they do brown fairly quickly. So here I will go ahead and I will throw the juice of, I would say probably 2, maybe 3 limes, maybe even 4, depending on how juicy they are, to the bowl. And I will go ahead and do the same with about 2 or 3 more limes. I went ahead and got a fork here. I cut just the end of the lime off. It actually helps bring out that juice a lot easier. And I've got a spoon here. I'm just going to mix that just to see how much more we need of anything. It's looking amazing. It smells really good too. We're going to go ahead and add 1 more lime to that. And we'll go ahead and mix that. All right. And then from there, we'll just move those to this side. I will go ahead and I will cut up in fairly bigger pieces for the avocado. I'll go ahead and dice those up as well and add that to the bowl. Look at how easy that pit came out. I'll go ahead and take the peel off. It makes it easier to cut the avocado. There we go. So once we have that cut up, I'm going to cut these into, like I said, slightly bigger pieces than what we cut everything else that's in the bowl. And then add that. And then repeat with the second half of the avocado. Once you have that added in, you're going to go ahead and mix that once again. Now that we have everything in there and mixed very well, we're going to go ahead and give it a taste. Go ahead and get your chips. Wipe my hands off a little bit there. Now I got all of my ingredients from Aldi. Everything but the jalapenos. That is the only thing they did not offer at Aldi while I was there today, but I did get everything else. I would say on average, because I did get a couple additional items, it was under $20 for all of the items. So here I am going to add some of the salsa, get a little bit of everything. I'm going to add that to the chip there. And let's try. Very good. Very good. As you can see, it looks refreshing. It looks awfully juicy with all of that lime that we put in there. This is definitely a snack I could sit and eat probably the entire bowl, but we'll try not to. And there you have it, your black bean and corn salsa with the avocado added. We're going to go ahead and insert the recipe here so you can go ahead and take a screenshot of it for your own family to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe and like, and we hope to see you again soon.